It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a beautiful snowy day. Morning, Toot the boat. Oh dear, Toot has a problem. Help, Swo-Swoosh, shouts Toot. I'm stuck, I can't move. Honk has a rope, says Swo-Swoosh. Hang on, Toot, Swo-Swoosh to the rescue. Yippee! It's snowing! Hello, says Honk. How do you do? My name is Honk the car, smiles Honk. Good morning. What is your name? Tries Honk again. Hello? Mr. He can't talk, explains Floppy the rabbit. And he can't hear you, not even see you. Oh, how sad, thinks Honk. What is wrong with the poor man? He isn't a real man, Honk. He's a snowman, Floppy explains. This is how you make a snowman. Look, like this, says Fluffy. I have a good name, says Honk. Let's call him Mr. Snowman. Honk, quick, shouts Swo-Swoosh. I need a rope. Toot is stuck in the water. How can a boat be stuck in the water? Wonders Honk. Swo-Swoosh is very good at helping others. Catch the rope, Toot, shouts Swo-Swoosh. I can help you. Help me! I can't stop! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Swo-Swoosh tries to lift up Toot, but Toot is very heavy. Accident! Help! Shouts Honk. Cars can't fly! Help! Cars can't swim! Oh! Huh? But how can Honk ride on top of the water? Asks Swo-Swoosh. Well, laughs Toot. Look, what do you see? Well, says Swo-Swoosh, lots of snow. I know. The water has turned to ice. The ice is very hard and thick. Yippee! It is safe to play on the ice. You are very clever, says Toot. I know, sighs Swo-Swoosh. Have fun, everybody! Bye-bye, Honk.